very similar. Oh, and goodness, what a shot there. Back comes.
Unbelievable performance by Nonito.
He is the new bantamweight champion. Filipino Flash, Nonito.
Division World Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the reigning and defending WBA Bantamweight Champion of the World, introducing the undefeated SEITA TSUTSUMI. WBA ルール3ノックダウン制です。交えた2人が今宵世界タイトルマッチで再び相まみえ交えた2人が今宵世界タイトルマッチで再び右が
You know, switches stances. I mean, how
southpaw and orthodox.
From that position.
Another shot.
He just up over the left eye.
Fighting out of desperation. 3 years of calling, and of course he's gonna run. He's gonna
down the attack.
Like it now, it's like now you're trying to see Anaguchi.
Earmuff defense was that, and you mentioned him earlier, Winky Wright. There are not many guys that have steps to be able to evade. And there's a backup down goes Young!
And that is the vaulted power that we're talking about.
The better with an uppercut goes down. First time. No need to rush. Hammering left hook and he goes down again.
Second knock. He said
I think he senses it.
Oh boy. Yeah, that is not running his game.
That's a push. Oh, it's a knockdown.
Oh boy. Oh my
It's
God.
waved off.
日本人初の全戦全 KO 勝利での王座獲得となりましたけどですよね。ただ
今回のこの堤選手、
はい、の良さっていうのはどういうところでしょうかね。
やはりアマチュアのキャリアを十分に
かなり第1ラウンドからワンツースリーフォー。
アマチュアどういう心境ですかね。2回負けてますからね、比嘉選手としては。はい、だからとうとうねリベンジするか来たのか思ってる。
Body shots in the area of the liver taking a toll on Satul. Hard shot, another body shot, he's down. Satul got his jab out there, but Nonito able to slip it. Oh, down! For the third time in the fight. 3. It's up to 3 and 4 and 5. Will he be able to get up 6, 7, and he's back up at 8. So down.
出ますが最初の入り方。
2階級上がってますからね。
キロ差で見えてると。
階級の時とはパワーはありますからね、比嘉選手。
そうですね。近い距離からヘルボディ。右ストレート。
食べるというのもあるかもしれないですね。
右アッパ
ー。まあタイミングもありますけども。はい。距離は取りたいはずなんですよ。堤選手やっぱりね、思うと出してるんですよ。
Coming up to the midway point of round 5. There's the jab by Nonito Donaire working well. Oh my God! Darchinian down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet in terrible shape. It's all over. It's all over. Really hurt you, and that was the punch that hit in Darchinian.
Down goes Martinez for a second time. Left hand, down goes Martinez again.
That and the jab and the counter punch makes him a
There's the uppercut. There's the uppercut. And the referee just ended the fight.
右ストレート。
出してほしい。
はい。ボクシングは人生の奪い合いだという話をしています。友達だから手を抜くなんてことはない。気持ちをぶつけていくんだと話していましたが、ここも堤が手を出していく右ストレート。カウンター引き止められていますが、堤の右だ。右まで左フック。もう一度右の左。
Similar combination.
And this is what Nishioka starts to do around the
Oh, down goes Nishioka from a counter shot.
7. You sure you're okay, hey?
Coming into this fight, he's been down 3 times in his career, down twice, and now the referee steps in and stops it.
they talk about approval and sanctioning requirements, and it talks about the new commission not sanctioning a fight in which a fighter has suffered 10 consecutive defeats in professional boxing. So if this belt now there, you see referee Marcos Rosales at the end.
Left hand there from Higa. Competitive fight, right? Experience, big difference, yeah. Especially for that was bad head touch. I jinxed it. I absolutely. Tsutsumi pushing forward now. Higa looking to land those big shots, looping both sides. Nice left hand scores for Tsutsumi. Back comes Higa, who's sitting down a little more on these shots here. Under a minute left in round 8. Nice left hook scores for Higa. Back comes Tsutsumi. And let his combinations go. It's very similar. I don't see. Oh my goodness! What a shot there from Higa! Forward comes Higa with the left. Oh, and back comes the champion. Do enough to become world champion once again. His win and continue to take home the championship. I mean, he's just been relentless even through that cut. Oh, look big at the shot angle there. Absolutely. Higa's hurt once again. Can the champion finish? Or does the challenger have enough resolve?
Playoff, I don't think so. There's a left hook, followed by a right. Down goes Oubaali again for the 3rd time in the fight. This one.
Oh, yun. Ganda ng body shot ni Donaire. Lumagapak talaga. Uy! Wrestling.
Administra más las energías, 32 años, eso va yo.